Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can delete Instagram posts from both sides very easily. Please friends, subscribe to the channel, put your likes under the video, write your comments and let us get started with you. So friends, in order for you to be able to delete Instagram posts, let's say when you post a message. Now I'm going to show you how that happens. So you've come to some correspondence, you've written a post here, let's say. You sent it, but you want to delete it. In order to delete it, so that it's not there for you and your conversation partner, you have to click on the message and hold it down. And as you can see, you'll see this little menu appear next to the message, and you can choose at the bottom to delete it or to unsend it. That way, friends, you will delete the message. Let me show you one more time. You press it. You hold it down and select delete at the bottom. Instantly, the message will be deleted from both you and your conversation partner. So you can delete it on both sides of the conversation. That's the simple and quick way you can easily delete your Instagram posts from both sides of the conversation. I hope this video was helpful for you. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care.